assimilation. What happens to glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids after they are produced in the small intestines? So glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids are digested food. This is what they call the digested food. And when they refer to digested food, they're really referring to these three. They are also called the end products of digestion. After they are produced from chemical digestion, glucose and amino acids will be absorbed into the blood capillaries and brought by the hepatic portal vein into the to the liver. Okay, and the fatty acids will enter the lymphatic system, and it will be the first destination will be the heart. Now, this is where it is. So this is to explain what the previous page that I went through just now. So your glucose and amino acids are here, and they go into the blood capillaries, which is the dark arrowed structure, whereas the fatty acids and cholesterol enter the lacteals. So the table that is here is basically what happens to glucose, amino acids, and fatty acids. Okay, the liver is basically like a distribution center for glucose and amino acids. It distributes the correct amount that you need. So if you need more, if you need a certain amount of glucose, whatever excess will be converted into glycogen, and then what you distribute out of the liver will then be used for cellular respiration and the formation of glycogen in the muscles. Okay, so take note that this portion is really about the roles and functions of these molecules in your body, and that is already covered in nutrients. Okay, and then here the amino acids, we do not store excess amino acids as amino acids or proteins, but we deaminate the amino acids to form urea. Okay, the carboxyl group is converted into glucose into glycogen and glucose into fats. So you can get fat if you have excess proteins, and the correct amino acid is then circulated from the liver to all parts of the cells, to all parts of the body that require it. And when it gets into your cells, it can be used for tissue repair to make new cells. It can be used to make enzymes, because enzymes are proteins. And later next year you will learn that hormones are also made of proteins. Next, the fatty acids that is absorbed into the lacteals then makes its way to the cell to make the cell membrane. For example, the adipose tissue is the membrane around the organs. The fat cells under your skin called the subcutaneous layer. Okay. In bigger mammals, not just us, in bigger mammals, I think fat has better role in insulation rather than fat on the human body. Okay, so you can look at the answers to the questions in this section in the teacher's notes.